I'm going to teach you the official dance to the Goofy Goof song so that you can dance along with the music video. It starts over to the right. My goofy goof moves, right arm up, left arm down. Then you shift your body to the left and lift your left leg and flip your arms in a million ways. And I'm also shaking my arms a little bit too. My goofy goof moves in a million ways. Then shift over to the right and then stand in your place. My goofy moves prove, and you can also shake your shoulders. My goofy moves prove, and then you go over to the left and point to yourself. That I do it my way. That I do it my way. That I do it my way. Great. Now you can dance however you want. So dance with me, come on and give it a shot. If you have a friend you're dancing with, you can dance with your friend, or you can just dance by yourself, whatever you want to do. And then the last thing, you turn, starting with your left shoulder, move your goof, and then pause in any position you want, because it's the only goof you got. Then you have to do the claps at the end. Clap, 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 clap. Clap, 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 up, up, down. Here's what the whole thing looks like now. Real slow. My goofy goof moves in a million ways. My goofy moves prove that I do it my way. So dance with me, come on and give it a shot. Move your goof, 'cause it's the only goof you got. The goof you got, the goof you got, the goof you got. Have fun learning.